In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in GoHighLevel. Getting your payments set up properly is a key step before you start selling anything through your funnels, websites, or automations. Once this is done, you'll be able to accept payments smoothly without having to think about it again. So let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. The Launchpad is basically your home base inside GoHighLevel. If you're not already there, look for it in the main navigation menu. This is where GoHighLevel surfaces the most important setup items for your account, including payments. Once you're in the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Payments and click on it. This will take you to the Payments area, which is where you can manage things like invoices, transactions, and most importantly for us right now, your payment integrations. Inside the Payments section, you'll see a tab or menu item called Integrations. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This is the page where GoHighLevel lists the payment providers it can connect to. Think of this as the bridge between GoHighLevel and the service that will actually process your customers' credit cards or other payment methods. On the Integrations page, you'll see a list of available payment providers. Next to each provider, you should see a button that says Connect. Find the provider you want to use and click the Connect button next to it. If you already have an account with that provider, make sure you have your login details handy because you'll need them in a moment. If you don't immediately see the provider you want, don't worry. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and click on See More Providers. This expands the list and shows you additional payment gateways that might not be visible at first glance. Once you find the one you prefer, click Connect next to that provider. In this example, let's say you choose Stripe. After clicking Connect, GoHighLevel may show you a dedicated page or pop-up for Stripe where you'll need to click Connect with Stripe one more time. This extra step just confirms that you really do want to link your GoHighLevel account to Stripe. When you click that, you'll be redirected to the payment provider's login page. Here, simply log in with your existing account details or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. The process is usually very simple. You confirm your business details, approve access, and then the provider sends you back to GoHighLevel. Once you're redirected back, your payment gateway should now be fully integrated. From this point on, GoHighLevel can use that provider to process payments inside your funnels, forms, and invoices. So you're ready to start collecting